Привет, привет. Welcome to Russian Through Discovery. This is inspired by language transfer. It's a way to learn languages through a fun method called the thinking method. And basically how it works is I'll briefly, in a few seconds, explain a concept, ask you a question about it that's applicable to things you'd say in the language. You'll think, you'll answer the question, and then we'll keep going. So it's really important that you actually answer the questions, respond to the material. That's what's going to make this work. So today we're going to talk about coffee. So our first word is ya. Ya means I. Say it aloud. Ya. Very good. The next word is хочу. It means want. Now think, how would you say I want? Я хочу. Отлично, which means excellent. Let's add another word. Coffee. You can say it. Coffee. You probably know that word already. Кофе, if you want to sound more Russian. Кофе. Can you say, I want coffee? Okay. Я хочу кофе. Хорошо. The next word is tea, which means, or chai, which means tea. Chai. So how would you say I want tea? Я хочу чай. Very good. One more word. And the answer is going to throw you because there's a new rule here. I'll demonstrate first, but the word is voda. Voda, which means water. Now to say I want water, the answer is Я хочу воду. That's because of a rule called the accusative, which we'll get into later. So the dictionary form is voda, but after хочу, it became vodu. Я хочу vodu. Don't worry about why, simply notice the pattern. Russian often changes the endings of nouns depending on their role in the sentence. But if you stick with it, your brain will begin recognizing these patterns naturally. Now let's learn two very useful words. Da, which means yes, and niet, which means no. Imagine if someone asks you if you'd like coffee. You can simply answer da or niet. Easy. Okay, so let's translate these aloud. I want coffee. Я хочу кофе. I want tea. Я хочу чай. Now for the tricky one. I want water. Я хочу воду. How about yes? Да. And lastly is no. Нет. One more discovery. In Russian, people often leave out ya or I because the verb, just like in Spanish, already tells you who is speaking. So instead of saying Я хочу кофе, a Russian speaker might simply say хочу кофе. Both are perfectly natural.